Your camp name. You don't remember your camp name?
No,
your name shall be Little Piggy. You don't like that name?
No,
okay, your name shall be Pinksters.
Shall be Pinksters.
No, Pinksters.
Pinksters. Shall be Pinksters.
I could name you Pinky?
Okay.
Pinky. Pinky?
Yes.
Okay. What are you supposed to do for me today?
Right side flourish.
Let me see your right side flourish. Wow! That's nice. Okay, this time put your foot in. Let me see how you're going to do it again. Do it again, but point your left foot forward. Yes, and let me see you. Woo! Do it again. Awesome. And now, what's the next thing you're supposed to do?
A toss.
A toss? Let me see this toss. You have a fancy toss for me? Do it again. Let me see.
I know you have.
Woo! What else are you gonna do for me? That's it? Awesome job, Pinky. Bye.